10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's get it! You sick of that bullshit?
Yeah! Oh, yeah. That powerful niggardry at work.
You know MK do these food reviews.
Alright, MK, we talking about chicken, fried chicken, and we went to Golden Bird. Deliciosos, that crust. Everybody likes chicken, so let's review this shit.
What's good? We got a food review. It's my second time doing this. We went to Golden Bird. We got some rice and beans. Look at my dog, like, just looking. Rice and beans, just, need some green onions though. That's the rice and beans. We got some cornbread here. Cornbread muffin, you know it's jiffy. Let's try it. Let's try the chicken. Oh, bird.
That's a big ass piece of chicken, MK.
Crust. Just give me a second. It's been a minute. Let's review it real quick. We ain't done. We got the hush puppies. These are different. You know, got that inside. Tastes actually like a fried stuffing, and they got a kick to it, jalapeno kick. That shit is delicious. All right, let's judge the shit. Food review time.
You know MK do these food reviews. When it comes to chicken, Golden Bird, besides Pioneer, got the best crust. So we're gonna give that chicken 4.5 chicken wings. 4.5 chicken wings. All right, y'all ready? How was that cornbread, right? Oh, we're gonna give it a 4.5 cornbreads. Yeah, oh yeah. How was them rice and beans? Now I give them rice and beans 4.1 rice and beans. They needed a little, some chives on the top, and it still was good. It was a decent. It wasn't my mama's, but it was decent, right? We gave it a 4.1 rice and beans, right? Now, how was them hush puppies? Well, they was kind of eclectic, very different. Tasted like stuffing, right? So that was different. We'll give it a 4.4 hush puppies. Cause I fuck with Jim Dandy. Jim Dandy got those fritters and shit. Those fritters are number one. The motherfuckers better than Cheddar Bay biscuits from Red Lobster. All right, y'all, that was my food review. We smoking up the car. We up the par. Like, share, subscribe. But when you in the hood, nigga, swerve to a fucking Golden Bird. You heard? All right, y'all.
Man, I want to give a big shout out to my food review people, like Mujahid72 and Freddy's Food Reviews, the homie. You love chicken? You know I got that motherfucker review. Like, share, subscribe, and peace.